I'm Ajit's mother. So basically, I think it's more than 2.5 years that Ajit has been associated with this school. He was, I think, fifth or the sixth child, and I'm very, very happy with the teachers first of all over here, because more than teachers, they are like a mother. Because when we were working, they were very well taking care of all the kids over here. Adrit is very the mother of all the kids. Whenever you meet her in park, you meet her in anywhere in the society, she is the one who will always so briefly she'll meet all the kids, and that's the best thing that I like about her. She doesn't even look like a principal when she's out of the school. She's like a friend to all the kids. So yeah, I just love the school. I just love the vibes. The school since starting has done a lot for the kids in terms of different activities, the birthday celebration or the annual day, sports day. I remember the first Christmas day that was celebrated. So yeah, overall I just wish all the best, all the best to all the teachers and the parents over here who are since starting. Thank you so much.
Amanapma and Nitara's mom, and it's a first year for her, and I think the first experience of being a mother also for me, it was very delightful. And we are very happy with the progress of Nitara. We see how she is learning a lot of new things from the school. And a special thanks to her Ashima ma'am. She is very, very fond of her. She imitates her at home. She wants to be like her. She takes attendance just the way she does in the school. So in short, we are very, very happy. We are happy with the decision that we took for Nitara to be in this school. And all thanks to the other teachers also. Thank you.
School teachers, to principal ma'am, everybody. Let me start by saying that this school is such a huge, it started with being a huge convenience, but now it's a huge source of excellence for the children. So whenever we are looking for options outside the school as well, but I don't think anywhere else they provide this kind of an enriching and loving environment. You know, more than being just purely professional, it is very warm and home-like. Right? I think personifies grace and vision. You know, the way she strategizes and is such a great visionary for the school. I think हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना मार्गदर्शी, वो सही मायने में एक मार्गदर्शी है. And being a teacher, and I speak for teachers in the school, it's not a very glamorous job, but believe me, it is one of the toughest jobs that you can ever do. Every single day, हम लोग के लिए इतना tough हो जाता है to take care of 1 or 2 children. They come here and take care of the growth of so many children. It's not easy, I understand. It is very difficult, and to be right in their own way every single day, it is a huge challenge. So hats off to all the teachers. You've made the school what it really is, right? And that's what I'm very happy. Vanshita's growth has been phenomenal, and thank you so much.
Nana's mom. First of all, happy Women's Day. As we see, women are the main pillar of this school, and I'm very thankful to spend. As whoever who knows Nana, they know that she has been a very difficult child since birth, but it was a very difficult journey to send her to school initially, but how they helped her and me as well, and they discussed each and every day how this process should go on, and today is the day. I may have difficulties in sending this child in the evening for a walk in the society, but sending her to the school, I think that is the best part of the day that I experience. And so I'm very much thankful to all the school members and the staff. She is really happy, and I just wish everyone best of luck who are who have taken the decision to send their wards to this school. I am telling you, you won't regret it. This would be your best decision. Best of luck. Thank you.